ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच उत्तरेदात्मनात्मानं नात्मानमवसादयेत् आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बन्धुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः। Fifth sloka, sixth chapter, Dhyana Yogam or Atma Samyama Yogam. Here Bhagavan Krishna says, controlled person and who don't have controlled person. So here Bhagavan Krishna says very clearly, whatever qualifications we discussed earlier, if they don't have control on their own body, their own mind, their own buddhi, including their own hridaya, these three are very important. Deham means sense organs, and joy received from, happiness received from sense organs, through sense organs, means sense organs objects, and mental control. Two, not to have or not to own any ownership of the karma. Akarta, you should be akarta, and you should be away from all happiness. You have to renunciate so many things. Then by intellect, you have to further renunciate. So these qualified person. So here Bhagavan Krishna talks, one who can come out of the all problems of samsara life. One who, the Atma, self-knowledge, one who control over on everything, only they can uplift. So uplifting on your spiritual growth or going downward to on your spiritual growth, it is all depends upon you. If you have control, you can uplift yourself to cross over the all worldly problems. If you don't have control, you will certainly drown in that worldly problems of sea. Samsara sagaram. The full of problems of family life or worldly life can be easily crossed over, can be win over if you have control on yourself. If you don't have control on yourself, you will certainly drown. If you can control, so the Atmajnanam, Tattvajnanam, Parabrahma, Satchidananda, Parabrahma, Paramatmajnanam will be friendly manner. The process will be friendly process. If you don't have control, that will be the enemy. So if you can be superior, if you have control, then the Atma itself will be friend to you. If you don't have control, you will be inferiority complex. Also the Atma itself is enemy to you. Very simple. Bhagavan Krishna says in simple word, it is all depends upon you. With 100% control, you can come up and you can attain whatever you want spiritually. If you don't have control, you will drown. So keep your mind as friend or enemy that is within you. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says to Arjuna. Please mind this point and act accordingly. Let be your Atma is your friend to you. That's all Bhagavan Krishna wants to convey in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see sixth sloka. Till then, Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Tat Sat.